Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy conditions out there this morning and cold temperatures, seeing 31 degrees currently at Wallops. We're going to continue to see some below normal temperatures this morning into the afternoon hours for today, as we do have a colder air mass in place behind that area low pressure that moved through yesterday. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have this area low pressure just off the New Jersey coast that's continuing to move off the north into the east this morning, seeing some very heavy snow across New York into New England this morning. But across our region, just some northwesterly winds, slightly breezy, a little bit less than was expected in the forecast from yesterday, but overall just some slightly breezy conditions out there this morning. Wind advisory was canceled around 7 a.m. this morning, and not expecting it to be reissued today. So looking like just a fair weather day today, other than the cold temperatures and the mostly cloudy conditions we'll see for most of the day. Right now we have a broken deck at 1,500 feet, northwesterly winds at 8 knots, temperature 31 degrees, and relative humidity at 85%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region, we have some stratocumulus clouds across the area, or stratus clouds, continuing to stream in from the northwest. That's going to be the case for pretty much the remainder of the day. Should see some clouds start to reduce in coverage once we move into the late afternoon hours today. Taking a look at the HRRR model on the derived reflectivity, you can see here as we move into the afternoon hours today, this is noon, and then into the evening hours here, 7 p.m. Nothing really on the radar, just some snow showers over the mountains. Moving to tomorrow morning, we'll have a weak upper level disturbance moving through the region. Here is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see a flurry across the Chesapeake Bay. Can't rule out a flurry moving across Wallops tomorrow morning around 6 to 8 a.m., but overall those chances are very slim, maybe 15%, and most likely it would just be a few flurries across the region. So not much in the way of precipitation for the next 24 hours, really very slight chances of that occurring. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have the breeziest conditions this morning, gusting to 21 knots, as winds should pick up here in the next half an hour or so and become slightly breezy out of the northwest at 21 knots. And this afternoon should see those winds starting to die down, northwest 8 to 13 knots. And then tonight we'll see fairly light winds at north at 5 to 10 knots. Tomorrow morning we'll pick back up northwest 7 to 12 knots. A high today around 41 degrees, low tonight around 31, and a green chart across the board. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, we should see ceilings around 1,500 feet through about 1,400 local today, and then thereafter should see that coverage become scattered with a chance of just a broken around 2,000 feet. Once we move into the evening hours today, we're going to see cloud coverage increase in the mid and upper levels. Should see broken deck around 6,000 feet after midnight or after 1 local on Friday. And then in tomorrow morning, we should see mostly cloudy conditions across the region with that very slight chance of a flurry. Our tides are 1 foot above normal. And looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday mostly cloudy early, becoming partly cloudy, slightly breezy and chilly, a high of only 43. Friday night, mostly clear and cold, a low of 25. And for Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy and chilly, a high of 44. Green chart across the board with fairly tranquil conditions and high pressure in control. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.